Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the world of kitchen essentials with a comprehensive review of the Heim Concept Cookware Set W-001, a 12-piece stainless steel collection promising to elevate your cooking experience. If you're in the market for a new set of pots and pans that blend functionality with a sleek aesthetic, stick around because we're going to break down everything you need to know. Let's start by looking at what's included in this extensive 12-piece set. You get a 10.5-inch fry pan, and then a series of saucepans and casserole dishes of varying sizes. Specifically, there's a 1.75-quart saucepan, another 1.75-quart saucepan, a 2.25-quart saucepan, a 3.25-quart saucepan, and finally, a 5.75-quart casserole dish. What's great is that each of these pieces, except for the fry pan which is designed to be open, comes with its own matching glass lid. This is a huge plus for simmering, steaming, and keeping an eye on your food without losing precious heat or moisture. The glass lids allow for easy visibility, which is always a welcome feature in the kitchen. Now, let's talk about performance. The standout feature here is the promise of quick heating. The set boasts a 3-layered bottom designed for efficient heat conduction. This means your pans will heat up faster and, more importantly, distribute that heat evenly across the cooking surface. Hot spots can be the bane of any home cook's existence, leading to unevenly cooked food. The encapsulated bottom is designed to combat this, ensuring a consistent temperature from the center to the edges of the pan. This feature is crucial for everything from delicate sautés to slow simmering sauces. Furthermore, the versatility of this cookware is impressive. The set is oven-safe up to a remarkable 550 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a whole new realm of cooking possibilities, allowing you to start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, perfect for casseroles, roasts, or even baking. And for all you induction cooktop users out there, this set is suitable for all stovetops, including induction. Pouring is another area where thoughtful design can make a big difference. The rims on these pots and pans are tapered, which Heim Concept states is for drip-free pouring. This might sound like a small detail, but anyone who's had to clean up those annoying little drips running down the side of their pots will appreciate this feature. It keeps your stovetop cleaner and your presentation neater. A quick note, as with many stainless steel handles, they might get hot during use, so it's always wise to use oven mitts or pot holders for safety. The construction itself is solid. The handles are made of sturdy stainless steel and are mirror polished, both inside and out. This not only contributes to the attractive aesthetic of the cookware but also ensures durability. The encapsulated bottom, as mentioned, is key for even heat distribution. The overall build quality feels robust, suggesting these pieces are designed to last. Cleaning is often a major consideration when choosing cookware, and the Heim Concept set aims to make this as hassle-free as possible. The product details state that these pots and pans are dishwasher safe. While many home cooks prefer to hand-wash their quality cookware to prolong its life, it's reassuring to know that you have the option of tossing them in the dishwasher when you're in a hurry. The polished stainless steel exterior and interior also tend to be quite easy to wipe down after use, provided you tackle any stuck-on food promptly. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the Heim Concept Cookware Set W-001. On the positive side, the inclusion of lids for most pieces is a significant advantage, offering great value and functionality. The 12-piece configuration provides a good range of sizes for various cooking tasks. The quick heating and even heat distribution, thanks to the layered and encapsulated bottom, are crucial for achieving good cooking results. The oven-safe rating up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, offer excellent versatility. The drip-free pouring spouts are a thoughtful touch that improves the user experience. The sturdy stainless steel construction and polished finish give the set a premium look and feel, and the dishwasher-safe feature adds to the convenience. However, there are a couple of potential drawbacks to consider. The description mentions that the handles might get hot during use, which is a common characteristic of stainless steel cookware but requires user awareness and the use of protective gear. While the set is advertised as easy to clean and dishwasher safe, some users might find that more stubborn, burnt-on food requires a bit more elbow grease even after soaking, which is typical for stainless steel. Also, for very experienced chefs who demand absolute control and specific non-stick properties for certain techniques, stainless steel might not be their first choice compared to specialized materials. In conclusion, the Heim Concept Cookware Set W-001 appears to be a solid contender in the mid-range cookware market. It offers a comprehensive collection of essential pieces, a thoughtful design focused on performance and ease of use, and a versatile range of applications from stovetop to oven. If you're looking for an upgrade to your kitchen that balances aesthetics with practical cooking capabilities, this 12-piece stainless steel set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.